I made not less than $700 from this project the last time they did an airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple project that will make you not less than $1,000 with an airdrop. This is the crypto bull run season. If you understand what crypto bull run season is, you will know that these are the period where millionaires are made out of nothing. So in this video, I'm going to show you a project that will blow off the industry this season and make you massive money without spending the time. So if you're looking for an opportunity to become a millionaire or to make massive money in the crypto space without spending the time, then this video is right for you. Ice Open Network just recently tweeted about their new phase, and this period they are bringing up another airdrop which a lot of people is going to make money from. In the tweet I read, to enhance accessibility and reach for our tap to mine technology, we've integrated with Telegram. You understand with me that Telegram is the leading of the Web3 industry, the crypto Web3 industry, and a lot of good projects has come up through the Telegram tap. The recent trending one is the Notcoin. The Notcoin started earlier this year, and just like nothing, people were playing a game, the tap game on their Telegram, with their Telegram, and at the end of the day, they made a lot of money with Notcoin. Notcoin is about to be listing in 3 major exchanges: Binance, Bybit, and OKX. And this 3 major exchange is going to push the price of Notcoin. So a lot of people, several people got a lot of Notcoin. Some person got thousands and millions of Notcoin, which they are going to be selling once it lists on the major exchange, and they're going to be making a lot of money. So in this space, I'm going to show you this recent project coming from Ice Open Network. They are going into the Telegram tap. So I'm going to lead you to the way to Telegram tap with this Ice Open Network. I will drop the link on the description below. So look at the description below. I will drop the link. Just click at the link, get registered, and do the simple tap every 6 hours to get the coin. So I'll be taking you to my Telegram, and this is the iceberg, just newly started, and I don't know when it's going to be closing and launching, but everything hopefully is going to be this year, and you're going to be making massive money. So when you come to this place, all you need to do is to click get started, and when you click the mine, it mines for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it will automatically stop mining. You have to come back to your Telegram and resume the mining. And this is like new from the tap we used to know. And Iceberg is moving in another direction in the Telegram Web3 platform. And this is a massive opportunity you shouldn't miss. So once you come to this page, look below, you will see tags. Click at the tags and make sure you do all the tags. That is simply subscribing to their Telegram channel, subscribing to their YouTube channel, subscribing to their Discord, subscribing to their webcast, subscribing to their X, and also subscribing to their Instagram. In all these things you do, you earn a certain percentage of the coin. All right. So who knows, this might be listing with $0.01, it might be listing with $0.02, it might be listing with $1, it might be listing with $2. You never can tell what will happen in this crypto space. Just like the founders of Notcoin, at the beginning they said that nothing will soon become something, and it's a reality today that the nothing has automatically become something. And I've made money from the Notcoin. Even with that listing already, I've made over $200 from Notcoin, and expecting the listing, which is on the 16th of this month, the 16th of May 2024. So we never can tell what it will be listing with, but certainly I'm going to be making thousands of dollars from Notcoin. So you don't take this for granted, because you're going to make massive money if you follow my step. So look down below, you will see the link. Click on the link to the Telegram place and just get started. Every 6 hours, come to the space and farm. Once you farm, because you're farming in the space, Yeah, once you farm, allow it for 6 hours, come back again after 6 hours and go to the invite list. click and invite your friends to this place. Okay, so we'll see. I will bring an update of this video. The purpose of this channel is to give you an update concerning the crypto space and how to leverage on it. If you have no money, you want to invest in the crypto platform, this place is the right place for you, that will show you what exactly to do, even if you don't have the time. So you can participate in this airdrop or any other airdrop, legit airdrop that will make you money in this space. So before I go, I will tell you, subscribe to this channel. If you see this content valuable, subscribe to this channel, share to your friends and your family. Like I would say, always hunt it, kill it, and eat it. That is a slogan. Cheers. I see you next time when I'll drop an update concerning the cryptocurrency space.